2021 Toyota Supra. A really beautiful car. Got factory converter up there. Then it had a, so don't let muffler shops fool you. It has a secondary cat. There's that, that's the front of it. I don't know if you guys can see inside of it, but it only is this much of it is catalytic converter. And then it's got a resonator on it built into the catalytic converter. A lot of these new dealerships are doing these dealer manufacturers. I don't know why, but that's how they're doing it. So it's got a resonator and cat in one, as you guys can see. Part cat, part resonator. So we took it off, did custom piping, bent it short, you know, ovaled it, and put a high flow cat on it right there. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. And then continued the 3-inch that the factory had. And then there was a muffler delete somebody else did. We didn't do it. There, as you guys can see, they pieced it together and they put some blue flame tips out the back on each side, there and there. So we're gonna let you guys hear it. We'll let you hear it before what it sounded like. We will let you guys hear it after. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And it is a Supra GR. Again? It is louder. Put it in sport mode. Not bad. It's a lot louder. Go ahead. What was the decibels before? Did you see?
What was the decibels?
Yeah, you didn't know.
Earlier right now.
Again? Get it to 5,000. Again? Yeah, it was at he said it was at 100 before, so it's 105 now.
Okay.
Because he was recording it.
It was at 100?
Yeah. So it's 5 more. When it's under load, it'll be even louder.
Got some tone to it.
Yeah. Go ahead and back it out. Go ahead. Again? Yeah, it is a different tone. Again? It's got a marble finally.
Those pops are a lot louder.
Good. '21 Supra.